Give me one more clap. All right.
Gee, is it crazy to run a bead of PL or silicone?
Silicone acts as a pad too.
Right.
And it flexes with the wood.
Yep. Where's that tube of silicone?
Gene, tell me what's the problem right now.
All right, what we're doing is we're leveling the concrete to the wood best we can. I made my concrete a perfectly flat thing, and wood, of course, has little microfiber measurements, but you could feel it. So what me and Mike are going to do, while Ray's holding that up, is we got it level here. See how my fingernail's not getting cut, and then it's a little cut? He's going to screw it to the substrate, and it's going to literally pull it down. And then we're going to follow it all the way down. Now, if I need to lift the concrete up, I got my little pry bar here, and then we lift it up, shove shims up to its level, he screws it down, and then we're good.
I love it, dude.
Fun.
And then that's,
Yep.
hop up over. Let me have my tape measure.
Just let me know when you're back. I'll run out and grab this part. Find a stud part.
Yeah, let's figure this out. Okay, stop. Right there. Okay. This one, it's like the concrete's a little better. So give me a flat razor, a business card. It's like the concrete's better. See, so it's level.
Yeah,
So
that's cool.
we got the resin on it for a little. Okay, that's good.
That's our pound a little bit. Right? You know what?
I could, let me check up. Remove that
Oh
screw.
yeah. Thanks, dude. Here's the thing.
We'll hold this like that. I'll push down that over there. Put it out. I got it. Good. See that? This one is hitting that way. So what do you do? What do you do?
We're gonna shim up the
We're going to
wood.
shim up the wood.
It's gonna be
And look, all flush. And then our gap is going to be filled in with a little bit of... I'm in Connecticut. I made a concrete bar, rustic style, made out of leftover boards from some barn. So I had to come down here to actually seam the countertop. If I take the saw and cut it on a slight angle to nothing,
Gene
it'll lock it.
is a great artist.
I'm here with Mike ASAP, great contractor, did this whole cool bar.
Gene made a miracle happen today. He somehow morphed concrete and wood to make one of the most special bar tops I've ever seen. He made somebody's dreams come true. This thing looks fucking unbelievable.
It's really our centerpiece for the restaurant.
Yes, I love it. Couldn't be happier.
My clients are extremely happy. I'm happy.
When I build a bar for someone, they want something spectacular.
Built some tree houses. And when we were kids, waking up on Saturday morning, we had to find something to do. And what we did was, we went out and we went to job sites where they're building. We took lumber, blocks, and we created tree houses, a house on the prairie on the turnpike, and we did a lot of things creative when we were young kids. Gene was creating things since he was a kid.